brown bread is one of the top bread in the world. Brown bread, which has 60% of wheat and 40% of flour. And sometimes we'll add little amount of gluten to avoid the bread collapsing during proving. Collect the ingredients: yeast, little sugar, little flour and lukewarm water. For making simple starter, mix and leave it for 15 minutes. For making 450 gram brown bread, take whole wheat flour around 150 gram, flour 100 gram, honey 15 ml, salt 5 gram, olive oil 10 ml, sugar 10 gram, gluten 10 gram is optional, and oats for the top around 50 gram. In the mixing bowl, add starter, which already we let it for as flying fermentation. Wow, aroma from yeast. Add flour, wheat flour, salt, honey, little sugar and water followed by gluten. Switch on the machine for 2 minutes at a slow speed and 8 minutes at medium speed. The dough started mixing. Every flour is not same and has different WAP, that means water absorption power. So we have to check the consistency at every often. Some flour takes more water, some flour take less water. All depends on the water absorption power of the flour. But in dough making process, at any methods, the required amount of water should be added at once. Do not add a little by little. If added little by little, the dough forms with a lot of lumps, and best to remember there is yeast in the dough may not fermented equally or evenly. Check the dough by stretching the dough between the two fingers. Comes out clean and transparent. Then stop the machine and collect the dough. Do not over knead the dough. It will cause for the gluten lose its strength, which cause for affecting the volume. Do not under knead the dough, cause it will affect the texture and structure of the bread. Add a little molasses color to get brown color, which is going to increase the appeal as well as the taste. Stop the machine and shift the dough to the table and knead it for 2 to 3 times. So what will happen, when we add the wheat flour has its sharp edge which is going to puncture the gluten. So to avoid that one, we are adding additional gluten to the bread dough to strengthen the gluten. Cover the dough until it gets fermented or it has to double in size. Meantime, grease the mold with melted fat and keep it aside. The dough reached 30 minutes. Give 2 knockback to equalize the yeast and gases in the dough, which was produced by the yeast. During fermentation, the yeast consumes sugar and produce carbon dioxide gas and alcohol. Alcohol evaporated once it's produced, but CO2 retained in the dough itself. Now the yeast is multiplied into several by binary method, so you can see the volume of the dough is increased. Oats is the one of the healthy cereal in the bakery. So the dried oats can be mixed in the dough or sprinkled on top. Mold the dough tightly to avoid tunnels in the bread. It should be close and compact texture. Cover the mold to avoid the surface drying due to heat or air in the premises, and allow it to proving for until the dough reaches the top. If you use lid, then the care must be taken and it should not be touched the lid all over. Otherwise, for open top bread is not at all the issue. The bread is raised to required level. Now sprinkle little water on the top followed by oats. it should not be allowed to rise over the rim, because there is oven spring which is going to happen inside the oven after once you placed. Bake at 200 degrees centigrade for about 25 minutes. Meantime, check the bread condition and take out from the oven. Wow, beautiful color. The oats look like a pearl. Overall, the bread looks amazing and the flavor. Demold the bread from the mold and check the sides overall and allow it to cool. Brown bread slice look amazing, very soft, and the crumb little coarse because of the wheat flour used in the bread. Once pressed, it is spring back to the top, so the bread is baked 100% thoroughly. Thank you for watching this video and update your feedback. Thank you. Try this recipe and add your comments in the comment box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep trying for the best. Please subscribe our channel for future recipes. Thank you very much for being as a good audience. Thank you.